Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting the Stickers Raja pack onto your phone and then importing it into WhatsApp. First, install the Stickers Raja app or place the downloaded web files in a folder you can access. Once done, open WhatsApp, go into any chat, tap the emoji icon, then the Stickers tab, and choose the Add Plus or Import option. Make sure WhatsApp can read files from storage, otherwise the import will fail. This gets the pack visible and ready for use immediately. Now you'll learn how to send and manage your Stickers Raja content. In any chat, tap the sticker icon and scroll to the newly imported pack to send images with a single tap. Once sent, long press a sticker to add it to favorites so it's always quick to reach. You can also reorder packs in the sticker settings to prioritize Raja. If you want a custom sticker, use the app's editor to crop to a square or transparent background, then re-import the result into WhatsApp. Finish by confirming the pack works across chats and backing up favorites. Test sending several stickers to verify size and transparency look correct. If something looks off, make sure the images are 512 by 512 and saved as web with transparent background, then re-import. If the pack won't import, check WhatsApp and file permissions, clear the app cache, and update both WhatsApp and the Stickers Raja app before retrying. One key
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.